Guys, now I'll show you. This time with a transparent table. How can I make telekinesis work? Because on one of my videos, many people started leaving messages that I had some magnets hidden somewhere, or something else. So I decided to repeat the telekinesis with the tinfoil, but performed on a transparent table. Now I will place the foil directly onto the table. To make it obvious that nothing is secret. Because after I posted the video online, I received a lot of messages saying that something was wrong. Like, why is the table white and why is the ball round? Well, the ball is round because it makes it easier to control. So look. Now we see that everything here is transparent. Charging the energy. Charging. That's it. I am collecting energy. And now we are just trying to use this energy flow a little bit. A little bit of this goes a long way. We are trying to pull it back to ourselves. Now that's how telekinesis is done. There is nothing complicated here. Guys, come to my lectures. I will be happy to start teaching you, and I'll tell you with a lot more detail, and I'll show you everything. May peace be with you all. Ernst Veter.